have a job.
Today is job 49, so I'm literally one job away from the big epic job 50. Today I'm going to work as a construction worker, and I got my boots in my bag. There's my bosses! Hello, how are you?
Foreman! Great!
You're foreman, yes, forewoman.
Yeah.
Forward-thinking forewoman. Hello.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien?
Ça a été un petit peu long.
Oh, non, pas du tout, parce que je dormais. I was sleeping, so I won't be sleeping on the construction
Yeah,
site.
that's good.
Whee, look at those mountains. This has to be the best job I've had yet in terms of scenery. Hopefully my day as a construction worker won't destroy me like this. How is it possible that I feel like I'm on a resort and working at the same time?
Claude and Jose are on the roof.
Oh wow, crazy. This is built on the rock.
Yes, it is. So that was one of the big reason why we choose this piece of land. It's just because of the rock. An art piece in our outside living room. Depending on the window you will look at in the house, you're in a completely different environment.
Doop 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 doop. Woohoo! Yeah, you have to show your muscle. Yeah. Yeah, and with the little it's
So
perfect outfit.
perfection.
Yeah. Okay, Emmy, what can you say about this big tool that you have in your hand?
I'm really afraid of it because I'm actually quite phobic of knives and everything.
Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah, I'm terrible.
But luckily this one is not
On.
plugged.
Do this to me. No, I like working hard and working out, and like I used to be a cleaning lady, right? So I could work long hours, but there's something about, I just don't like sharp things.
Yeah, well this one, you're not gonna use it
No,
today.
no.
So you're okay.
I'm climbing up a ladder.
There she goes, like a real pro. Very securely. Woo!
Oh no, that's a great angle.
Claude and Jose are trying to encourage Aimee. Give her a hand.
She wants a hand, or?
Yeah. No.
Great, great. My project is making me brave. Look at this. I'm done. I'm going to be suntanning here for the day. I just want to do
God,
you're going to be
get
so
some
dark.
video of me. This is my job.
This is the second job laying on the floor, on the roof.
Construction.
Yeah.
You guys are just too used to me being a model.
Yeah.
Get down.
Man, I feel like a woman. Okay, other jobs that I will never do. Trapeze artist. Cirque du Soleil. Give me, hold me. Hold me. No, you did it. This is proof that I didn't chicken out. I have sawdust everywhere.
Everywhere. Look at
So
that.
I am doing the job and I'm almost completely done. Look at that.
I did great.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. You were afraid getting up. You did it. You were afraid of the saw. You made some piece of wood. You cut some piece of wood. Woohoo! Congrats! You're a certified debutante
Construction
worker.
anxiety-ridden
Yeah,
worker.
now you can go rest in the bus.